What's up guys? Apple will introduce its new series of phones in 2022. And you are watching unboxing of iPhone 14 Pro Max. The handset got a chipset of Apple A16 Bionic, which is the most powerful chipset and to give more power to this device. It has a 3.1 GHz hexa-core processor inside the Apple's iPhone 14 Pro Max, to make the device ultra-fast. Also, there is a GPU of Apple GPU graphics under the hood of this smartphone. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.7 inches. And it will provide the user with Full HD plus the resolution of 1284 by 2778 pixels. The Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max having a Super Retina XDR OLED touchscreen display. That is the latest one and well known for its outstanding results. In the protection of this smartphone, it has a scratch-resistant glass, oleophobic coating. There is a quad camera setup in the back of this new Apple 14 Pro Max. The main camera is 48 megapixels wide, and another one is also 12 megapixels telephoto, 12 megapixels ultrawide, and the depth sensor is TOF 3D lidar. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has to come with a refreshed notch design, with significant selfie camera upgrades. A larger camera island on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. There is a dual 12 megapixels and SL3D depth, biometrics sensor, selfie camera. There is a Face ID reader in this smartphone to protect your data. And you will find an IP68 dust water resistant. Up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. The 6 gigabytes of RAM which gives this handset more power. The handset has got 256 512ths of a gigabyte of internal memory which is more than enough to store your data. The battery of is also a massive one. The handset is fueled with a 2 days standby battery. The price of the iPhone 14 Pro Max will start at $1,200. The price is quite more than the iPhone 13 Pro Max. However, we are not totally sure about it. Guys, if you like my video then please subscribe my channel and don't forget click bell icon for new coming video.
Alright, lock it up, roll sound please.
It's time to go beyond what a smartphone can do.
Roll camera.
With a massive camera upgrade, the A16 Bionic chip, an entirely new category of safety innovations, and never-before-seen display technology. This is iPhone 14 Pro. The always-on display artfully dims your wallpaper to create a unique, low-powered lock screen, making go-to information available at just a glance. And introducing a remarkable innovation that is both hardware and software, and something in between. The Dynamic Island. An interactive place that bubbles up alerts, notifications, and activities, fluidly transforming itself as needed. It's an entirely new way to experience iPhone. You are now looking at the most impressive iPhone camera system yet. In a major leap, the iPhone 14 Pro's main camera has a 48 megapixel quad pixel sensor. It captures breathtaking detail, depth, and color, and now gives you the equivalent of 4 Pro lenses at the ready. With every photo, the quad pixel sensor captures 4 times more information than ever before. Then, the A16 Bionic, powering the new photonic engine, analyzes and perfects every pixel with up to 4 trillion operations, achieving an astonishing new level of sharpness and detail. And now, pro photographers will be able to capture an uncompressed 48 megapixel Pro RAW image, giving you even more resolution to rescale, retouch, and reimagine your photos. Building off iPhone's leap ahead in ProRes and Dolby Vision video technology.
Action.
iPhone 14 Pro now includes new Action Mode, allowing gimbal-like stabilization for all your action scenes. And Cinematic Mode will be even more powerful for pro filmmakers, with 4K resolution and 24 frames per second recording. iPhone 14 Pro is capable of shots that for most film cameras are simply impossible. You can rely on your iPhone every day, and now it can even help in emergency situations. For the first time, iPhone 14 Pro will be able to communicate with satellites with emergency SOS, allowing you to deliver critical information to emergency services in places where Wi-Fi and cell service are unavailable. And a feature we hope you never have to use.
Commencing test.
Crash detection. Using a high G-force accelerometer, gyroscope, sensors, and machine learning algorithms, iPhone 14 Pro can detect when there has been a severe car crash and automatically call emergency services. Supercharged by nearly 16 billion transistors, the A16 Bionic is the fastest chip in a smartphone and powers the most impressive range of Pro innovations yet. The iPhone 14 Pro goes above and beyond, redefining what a smartphone can be. Again.